my channel. Those who are new, my name is Ellie Fraser, and today I'll be doing an acrylic pour. I will be using a funnel, so doing a funnel pour with also a Dutch pour or a hair blowout, whatever you want to call it. I'll be going in with some pastel pink. I can't remember what this one's called, but it's like a pastel yellow green color. Purple, a metallic blue is half of the base, and also a white is the other half of the base. So we'll get starting and I will zoom you in and I'll chat to you throughout the video. Okay, so I've got my glovies on. We're going to go in with the metallic blue first, so half and half. Never done that before. That was a bit gloggy. I wonder why that is happening. It's actually really gloggy. Hopefully that doesn't affect the acrylic pour, doesn't affect the base of it. Let's try and get those out. No, doesn't want to come. Okay, I'm just going to use my hands to push this out. Hopefully that's half of the canvas there. Comment down below if you've got an idea how to stretch out this paint to not get those white lines here. It's not white lines, it's just paint. Obviously my fingers, I don't know what's going on. I'm trying to dab it. White I find is easier because obviously the canvas is already white. Okay, I'm going to do paint in here first and then I'm going to tip into the funnel, running it along the middle there. So I will try split these up for a second so you can see what I'm doing. Let's move. Okay. There's the cup. All right, I'm going to go in for the purple. Hopefully that's running enough. I am obviously going to blow it out, so you need it super runny. Nice pastel pink. And then this pastel-y, greeny yellow colour. I'm not going to go in again with the purple because I feel like that's going to overpower being the darker colour. So I just might as well use up all these paints and I'll go in. Okay, Alright, so I'm going to move these paints back in. That way I'll put them quite close together, so that way I can just run the funnel straight across. Like that. Oops. There you go. Right, here we go. Is it coming out? I really don't know how this is going to work because there's no purple coming through, so I'm going to get the purple right at the end. Purple wants to come out. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Okay. Blop, blop, blop. Oh no. Alright. Way too much in that section. I don't know if this is the best actual method for this, but look, I'm trying it. It's the main thing. I'm gonna go over this one and pour. There's a bit of purple. Just pour it straight on. Now let's go in with the blow dryer. I just blew all the white over, well, what I could over, and now I'm gonna blow it right out and see what happens. Alright, I seem to never have luck with the blow dryer, so I'm going to try and use my mouth to blow out some sections. I've got no idea what's going on there, but anyway, we'll see what happens with doing it this way. I'm going to go in with my straw here and try to push some of this blue through. I think what's happened is the blue is a bit too thick, but we'll give it a go. I'll let them dry and I will post it up, and let me know what you think. Please comment, let me know what I'm doing wrong, and yeah, it'll be really great to hear what you think of these. Thank you again for watching. Please remember to click subscribe and watch me do all these new acrylic pourings, trying out different things. Alright, I will leave it here and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.